So if you want to score a cross-country meet, here's what you do. You go over here to column S and you type in the teams of the people who placed, and you have to type in a fictional order of the people in the race. If you leave it blank, what that's going to do is it's going to exclude that person from the meet, and they will automatically be rescored. If you just want to fancy what would happen if this person beat this person, etc., you could just change the numbers, and what it does is it rescores the meet and reorders the people. So if you look over here, it will give you a new list of the people, again, only including them. Scoring is based on top 5. Top 7 displace. If a team does not have at least 5 runners, they are not included in the scoring at all. Including times is optional, but if you do include the times, then over here in the scoring, it will give you the 5-man gap, the top 5 average, and the scoring places. Basically, you're only going to be editing the columns over here that are in blue, and the yellow ones here, these two are the ones that are required. If you go to print, it will give you this information, and it will also give you the list of the original people and how it was rescored. So if you want to download this Excel file, you can go to mrhosey.com/xc, and that's just going to redirect you to a Dropbox link. It's a normal Excel file, no VBA or anything, and it's actually a lot of fun. As you edit these fictional order numbers, it will rescore the meet. It's pretty fun. Enjoy.